Hey guys, welcome back to another video on the channel. Today we're going to be going over basic HTML code. And if we had 1,000 subs, I'll do a face reveal. And also, subbing also helps me a lot. So, let's just hop right into it. First you need to download Notepad++, and then you need to create a file, and then name the file index.html. Then we will edit with Notepad++ by right-clicking, and then this is how we got here. So, to start off our HTML code, we need to say that we're using HTML code. So we need to say doctype HTML. It has to look exactly like this or else it will not work. Then we can say that all of our code will go inside of here. And we also need to do this, because this is saying that we're starting it, and then this little slash means that this is the end of it. So we're starting, and then it's going to wait till it gets the opposite tag, which is just this tag, but with the slash. So next we're going to add a key component, head. Head is basically where all our information goes. So for example, we can create a title here, which is what we'll do first. The title is what you see at the top. So if you have a tab open and then it says YouTube, that's how you will see what your title is. So we're going to name this title my page make sure to subscribe. Okay, then we will go to our body, and we'll close the body with the slash, and then this is how we'll look at our page. But first, before we do that, I want to show you what this does. See, my page, make sure to subscribe. Because what we did was we clicked file and then we said open in default viewer. So body, like I said, was what happens on our page. So say this is the top of our page. We have the tab here and it said my page, make sure to subscribe. The body is what goes all in here. So we can say header. This is where the top of our page goes. So for example, the title, and if you're writing a book, there could be like by me or something, whatever you want. So next we're going to talk about the H. H1 through 6 will tell how big your header will be. So for example, H1 is the highest or the biggest, H6 is the smallest. So for example, if we do H1, it will be like this big. But if we do H6, it'll be like that big. So we're gonna stick with H1, so we'll pop out the most. So we'll say welcome. And then we can do maybe an H2 under that. Say by coders boys. Next we're going to learn about the article and what goes inside of it. Article is like the text of the page. So we can put our paragraphs and stuff here. So we can say article, and then inside the article P. P is a paragraph. So we can say P, this is my paragraph. Now let's test out our page. Welcome. This is the H1, and this is the H2, then this is the paragraph. Now, say we copy this and then we say, and then we paste it, and then we say, this is my second. Now we save that, and then we open a default viewer. You can see that there's this big space in between here. But if we get rid of this one and this one, we can say br slash, oops, caps lock, br slash, and then this means break. So the reason we don't have two of these is because we're not going to put anything inside of here. This is what we call an empty tag. So we just put the slash here because that's how the tags ran. So now let's see what happens. See how the space is gone? It's all because we used that break tag. Now we will learn about the table. This is probably a little complicated, so don't worry about it. But if you get it, that's awesome. We'll say table, and then we'll close the table. Now we can say caption, my caption. My typing is slow. So this is a table, and it will create this caption. We won't have anything, but we can do that right now. We could say table row, which is tr, and the tr. So table row, say this is my table all right here. Oops. So it will say my caption, and then everything in here will be a row, and then this will be a column. So you'll see in more in depth as we get into it. So say table row, table header, cool, and that. Nice. And then we can copy this and do that again. Then we can say cool sunglasses, and then this will be card. Now if we save this, it will make a table. And it doesn't look that pretty, so we can fix that. But that will be for another video. That will be CSS. Now, I guess that will be all for today's video. Hope you enjoyed. And please my English. Please consider leaving a like and subscribing. Now, I hope you all have a nice day. And love y'all.